So basically, I'll give you a short intro about Zest Melange. Zest Melange is an online fashion brand which is based on three motives. One is to make it polyester-free organic fashion. Two is to give the best quality craftsmanship, and three is make in India. Under Zest Melange, we have a complete wardrobe solution. We cater complete wardrobe solution from top to toe, and it is regarding to jewelry, leather products, garments, everything.
Related to the background, so what kind of background do you have and what was the time when you thought of starting this brand? And it's an organic kind of brand, so that is a difference. So brand is focused on
Basically, I'll give you a short intro. Again, if I give a long intro, then maybe it will be boring and people might start sleeping out here. So I'll just tell you, I am from a jewelry and a diamond manufacturing background. I initially, before starting to Zest Melange, I was going to my with my father at the jewelry and diamond office. I have learned complete from sourcing till marketing of jewelry and my diamond. Regarding this, I got an opportunity to become a part of all the jewelry trade fairs and exhibitions which is spreaded worldwide. When I got this opportunity to travel for jewelry in trade fairs, the most attractive thing which was about the people who was taking part in the exhibition, their personality, their style. This was the things which I was attracted to most. Whether I was part to learn all the trade fairs, all the techniques and everything, but the most attractive thing was fashion. Regarding this, I started moving on to all the shopping malls and all the fashion brands. I started exploring because somewhere I had this passion developed within me. So this is why I have shifted from the jewelry background to fashion industry.
so how has been the fashion changing about in the last decade? There is a lot of change in the fashion industry. So what kind of change do you believe it's good to change or what kind of
Yes, of course, the change is always been towards the better half. I would like to say the most, if I would compare from the past decades to the future fashion, the most thing which I can compare is a trend is the evolving fashion sense of each and every individual. The evolving nature which they have towards fashion, that is what gives a most motivational inspiration to all the fashion brands catering to their customers or their consumers.
what kind of vision do you have for the company? How they're going to explore other things and make a big market for this brand?
So basically, as I told you, our main motive is to to make responsible sourcing. That is, give polyester free, not to use any kind of plastic in our process or in our any of the products at Zest Melange. But major change, if you would say, future is on technology. So what expansion, if we are looking in terms of in this industry, is based on all augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. That is the reason we have launched on an online platform, because the future is all about technology. So we have a strong team already working on this, which is doing in complete research and development, keeping the technology in mind.
Sir, Kajal Agarwal being the brand ambassador, what really motivated you to make her the brand ambassador? Also famous in Bollywood as well as South industry. Any specific reason for this purpose?
As I told you, what three basic motives which we are coming up with Zest Melange is organic fashion, make in India, and the superior quality craftsmanship. Apart from that, we are also looking for Monday to Friday fashion. So for me, for Zest Melange as a brand, we think the most suitable personality for this dressing sense of Monday to Friday, I think Kajal Agarwal is the best fit for this personality, who has a personality to carry the dressing in terms of corporate dressing or a Monday to Friday. That is why we have gone ahead with Kajal Agarwal.
So talking about the kind of people you are going to cater, it will be very high price kind of thing or economical as well.
As I told you, initially when we have started working on this, we have not kept any economical or high-end people. We have not kept those targets in mind. Our basic motive is to provide organic fashion, organic product which is polyester free, make in India, and superior quality. So we have never kept economical or superior quality or target audience in terms of designing or pursuing this brand. Our basic motive is only this.
So do you have a specific focus to any gender, male, female, children? What kind of customer are you for this?
So basically, there are customers. I mean, there is target audience who is working for Monday to Friday. It is keeping this trend in mind. We have kept our designing process in its place. But it is not that only Monday to Friday can be accessible. Anyone who is see, fashion is again, as I told, subject to acceptance and negligence. People, they might carry the outfits, they might wear it on an occasion apart from Monday to Friday, but that is their sense of fashion. So yes, it is not restricted only to Monday to Friday or to male or female, but it is an open category which considers menswear, womenswear, and to all of them.
And related to your sales, are you restricted to all the online shopping, websites, and how do you sell the products?
So as I told you, we have our own online platform, which is known as www.zestmelange.com, where we have been doing our online sales, where this brand is available.
And regarding expanding into franchisee model, are you exported to what kind of business model you're doing?
Regarding to the expansion of the business module, yes, there are quite a lot of plans which we have been working on, but that will be the next subject where we will be meeting again.